Alright, let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got.
Oh, found it.
Oh my god, what is this tangled mess? No wonder why the chords...
Russia from the evening of the Golden Age. A religious text, I think. I suspected you'd choose that one.
Oh, legendary!
Promise me you'll take good care of
Damn it, turned into a fucking strange coin. Ooh.
That is a...
I got a fucking legendary!
Really?
Be careful.
Yeah!
Is it for your class?
Sniper rifle.
Oh, wow.
260 damage. It's got 260 damage. 2. Wait. 6. Icebreaker's victim spontaneously combust, dealing damage to others nearby.
Wow.
Missing a shot has a chance to return ammo directly to the magazine. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, look at all this shit. This weapon causes solar damage or cannot be reloaded, regenerates ammo over time. Yeah, dude, I got an exotic. It's called the Icebreaker.
Where'd you find it at?
Doing that weekly
orange?
heroic. Yeah, it's orange,
Yellow?
dude. Yeah.
Oh my god, fuck you.
Missing a shot has a chance to return.
Again?
I don't know.
I only let you do it once.
Upgrade damage. Quick draw. Increases range and accuracy. Aiming the weapon is incredibly fast. Oh my god, it's got 1, 2,
Yeah, they're insane.
3, 4, 5 damage upgrades. 300. 260. That is insane. Oh. Exotic gear is powerful, but only one exotic weapon and one exotic piece of armor can be equipped at a time.
Yep.
Yep. So you can only have one exotic weapon and one exotic armor.
Was it from the mission reward, or was it from an UNID?
I found it on the ground. It was an UNID.
Oh, cool.
Rover, I just found an exotic sniper. Look at this beast. It's a fucking sniper.